the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
It's literally, there's mustard all over the wheels of it.
Okay.
I'm saying it's not going to get any cleaner because the wheels are just rubbing mustard all over the floor.
Okay, can you just keep going, please?
Auto mode.
And then you just set it back at its charging station and it'll wash, sanitize, and completely dry itself. You can see that the brush is a little bit stained from the mustard, but if you were to touch it, it's completely dry and it does not smell at all. Plus it comes with a replaceable, just in case. I've been waiting for this to go on a discount because there is no way I'm going to pay $600 for this. And good news for us, they just went on a crazy holiday discount. I'm going to go ahead and link it for you down below, just in case you're thinking about getting one.